Alright guys, welcome back to another video. There's going to be a video on the Camaro because I have a leaking trunk. Let me show you what's going on. So as you can see here, I have a bag that I thought was going to keep the water from coming in, but nope. As you can see, when I close the trunk, that wire likes to sit in those grooves that is created because it's been in there like that for a long time. And the last few times I've opened this trunk, I noticed this area right here is wet. As you can see, you can even see sitting water here. This is soaking wet. And one day I decided to get in here, get to my spare tire, and I noticed a lot of sitting water in the battery compartment. I'm gonna get in there today because I'm pretty sure it's like that again. We had a lot of rain. We had like 4.5 inches of rain this morning. And needless to say, this was leaking like crazy. You can watch the water just dripping down. That's how bad it is. So this has to be fixed. I've got new weather stripping here, but I need to go get adhesive, and we're gonna go in LTD for that. And it looks like this car could use a fair bit of weather stripping and redoing itself, because this seat's kind of wet and the floor is soaking wet. So this is specifically for the Camaro. I don't know if this would be any different on another vehicle, but this is how to do it on the Camaro. So get the spare tire out and drain, or get the water out that's sitting in here. I know there's water sitting in here. See, look at that. We got water sitting in there. I mean, it's right in the battery compartment, so obviously not a good thing. Thankfully the ground is up here, but you know, still and all, you don't want water sitting in your car. It'll just rust it out. So I'm going to start off by just ripping the adhesive out. That did not take anywhere near as much force as I thought it would. I'm going to note how this is on here now, because I want to put this back on the same way it came off. So notice how it's in there. Alright, that did not take a lot of force at all. I'm surprised, but at least it was easy. So I don't really know what the best way is to get that stuff off of here. So I'm just going to start trying stuff. I'm going to try rubbing alcohol. That did not work at all. Alright, so that was kind of hard to get off of there. I had a plastic scraper that I found, and I used that to get a lot of it off. I used brake cleaner to spray around the edge here. I hope this is clean enough. I'm going to put the adhesive on. Follow the directions. Allow adhesive to dry until tacky. I don't know how long that takes. Alright, I have successfully applied it to the entire surface. I'm going to let it dry for just a minute. Shouldn't take very long for it to get tacky. In fact, I think it's already starting to get there. Yep, it's time to put the strip. Make sure it's on there really good. Yep, go ahead.
Did you have to get so full?
Yeah.
Well, now I'm wet.
Well, the trunk is not. Trunk looks good. Trunk looks completely dry. I'm very happy with the results, guys. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos of the vehicles, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.